Hello everyone, welcome to Pabbly Connect. Today in this video, we are going to integrate two software applications, Razorpay and Freshsales. So the use case here is, whenever an order is paid in Razorpay, automatically create contact in Freshsales. Now let us know what these two software applications are all about. So Razorpay is an online payment gateway, whereas Freshsales is a CRM tool. The issue here is that Razorpay and Freshsales don't have any integration between them. And that is why we are going to use Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect is an integration software which will help us to transfer data from Razorpay to Freshsales. The best part here is you don't require any knowledge of coding. So let me show you this on my screen. Okay, so here I am at Google and now I will go to this URL section over here and I'm going to type pabbly.com. Okay, so this is the website of Pabbly and now I will hover over this product section from here and I'm going to click on Connect. Okay, so now I am going to sign into my account. Okay, so now because I have already signed into my account, that is why I am here. You can also sign up for free and create your free account in just 2 minutes. Here, I would like to mention one more thing. You can try out this integration in Pabbly Connect absolutely free. So if you want, you can create your account right now and set up your own automation. The link is available in the description box below the video. Okay, so now I will scroll down and here at Connect, I am going to click on Access Now. Okay, so this is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. And now we are going to create a new workflow by clicking on this button over here. Okay, so now I'm going to give a name to this workflow and I'm going to name it as Razorpay Integration. Okay, now I'm going to create it. Okay, so now here in this workflow, first I am going to choose Razorpay over here. Okay, now in trigger event according to our workflow, whenever an order is paid in Razorpay will be our trigger event over here. So I'm going to click on order paid over here. So now when you click on trigger event, you can see we have various other trigger events available. You can select whichever you want according to your workflow. And if you don't get the trigger event of your choice, you can contact our team at admin@pabbly.com and our team will help you. So now you might have a question in your mind that what is this term called trigger event? So let me tell you that automation runs on the concept of triggers and actions. It is all about when something happens, do this. For example, when a sale happens, send an email. In our case, order paid in Razorpay will be our trigger event over here. So now when you come down here, you can see this term called webhook URL. So after choosing the app and choosing the trigger event, what we do is we copy this webhook URL from here and we go and paste it inside the trigger software application, which is Razorpay over here. So webhook, what is webhook? Webhook is an essential way to get data from an external software at Pabbly's end. So this webhook helps you to build a connection between the trigger software application and Pabbly Connect. So now here you can see we have the instructions written over here. You can just follow them. So now I'm going to copy this webhook URL from here and I'll go to my Razorpay account. So I've already opened my Razorpay account over here. The first thing you need to do is you have to select the mode in which you are using the Razorpay account, test mode or live mode. I am using it in test mode. And then in the left hand side corner, you can directly go to your settings. And here you have to click on webhooks. And here I am going to add new webhook. So I'm going to click on it. So here you have to paste the webhook URL that you got from Pabbly Connect, that is this one. So I'm going to paste it. Now secret and alert email, I'm going to leave it blank. If you want, you can just fill them. Active events. If you go back to Pabbly Connect, you can see select order paid from active event section because order paid is our trigger event over here. So I'll just search for order paid, this one. And now I'm going to create webhook. So webhook has been saved successfully. Now I'll go back to Pabbly Connect. Okay, so now I'm going to capture the webhook response. So now it is waiting for webhook response. That means it is time to go and create a new order in Razorpay. Then Pabbly Connect will capture this data. So I'll go to Razorpay. Okay, so now in Razorpay, here I have to go to my payment pages. So I've already created these two payment pages over here. You can also create a new payment page by clicking on this plus button over here. Now I'm going to copy this link from here and I'm going to open it in new tab. Okay, so now we are going to do a payment of this order of online courses. So first name is going to be Fiona. Last name is George. Email is fiona15@gmail.com. Phone number. Okay. Now I'm going to pay 1500. So now here in preferred payment methods, you can see we have various options available. You can select whichever you want according to your choice. Now I'm going to use card. So here you have to enter the card details. I am going to use test card details over here. So I'll just copy this and I'm going to paste it. Expiry, okay. Cardholder's name, okay. CVV. So now I'm going to pay 1500. Okay, so you can see we have successfully done an order payment over here. Now let's go to Pabbly Connect and see if it has captured the webhook response or not. So I'll go to Pabbly Connect. So you can see we have already got our webhook response, order paid. And if you go down here, you can see the details of the customer. Fiona George, the email is here, number is over here. Now I'll just save it. Okay. Okay, so we have successfully finished our first step integration. That is integration of Razorpay and Pabbly Connect here. Now let's begin with our second step integration where we are going to integrate Freshsales and Pabbly Connect. Okay, so I'm going to click on this plus button over here. And here I am going to choose Freshsales. Okay, now in action event, according to our workflow, whenever an order is paid in Razorpay, we want to create contact in Freshsales. That is why create contact will be our action event over here. Now you can see we have various action events available. You can select whichever action event you want according to your choice. And if you don't get the action event of your choice, you can contact our team at admin@pabbly.com and our team will help you. So now I'll click on create contact. Okay, so now I'll click on connect with Freshsales. Okay, create new or select existing credentials. Now, if you have any existing credential like this, you can directly click on it and you can go ahead. But here I am going to click on new credentials. So now API key. So enter your API key along with token equal to prefix. So you have to add this prefix before entering your API token key. So I'll just paste it over here. Now without space, I'll just go to Freshsales and get my API key. So you can see the instruction is written over here. Go to settings from the top right corner, go to API settings tab, get the API key. So I'll go to my Freshsales account. I'll go to my account over here. And here you can see settings, API settings. Okay, so I have my API key over here. If you want, you can also reset the key. I'll just copy this API key from here. I'll go back to Pabbly Connect and I'll paste it over here. So now it is asking us for the subdomains. So now I'll go to Freshsales and here is Connect Pabbly. So that is my subdomain. I'll paste it. Okay, so now this API key and subdomain are going to help us to build a connection between Freshsales and Pabbly Connect. So I'll save it. Okay, now if you come down here, we have some empty fields and we have to fill the information from our webhook response. So first is first name. So let us map the first name. Okay, first name is Fiona. Okay, last name. Last name is here. Email. Email is also here. Mobile number, we don't require it, but if you get it, you can just map it. Work number, I just leave it. Sales owner, so this is already mapped over here. So I'm not going to do anything about it. Subscription status, you can just change the subscription status according to your choice. I'll let it be unsubscribed itself. Job title, I'm just leaving all this blank. Now I'm going to click on save and send test request. Okay, so we have got our API response. That means we have successfully finished the integration of Razorpay and Freshsales. I'll save this. Okay, so now let's go to Freshsales and see if a new contact called Fiona George is created there or not. So I'll go to Freshsales. Here you can see contacts. So you can see Fiona George is over here with the email fiona15@gmail.com. And if you click on it, you can see the mobile number is also here. So we have successfully finished our integration here. Now I'm going to show you this process again with one more example so that you can understand how this integration takes place in real time. So now I'm going to go back to my Razorpay dashboard. Okay, now I'm going to go to my payment pages and I'm again going to buy the online course. So copy. Okay. So first name, I'm going to put it as, okay, I have all these details. I'll just put the same, Robert Stanley. Okay, email is there, phone number. Okay, 1500. So here you can see we have various payment methods available. I am going to choose the card. And here you have to enter your card details. So I'm going to use test card details here. I'll just copy this, paste it here. CVV, pay 1500. Okay, so you can see we have done the payment over here and our order is successful. Now let's go to Freshsales and see if a new contact is created there or not. So I'll go to Freshsales. I'll just refresh this page. Okay, so you can see Robert Stanley is here. The email is here. If you click on it, you can see the number is also here. So here our integration is working very fine. Now I'll go back to Pabbly Connect and I'm going to show you what has happened in our example. Okay, so in our example, what has happened is first the information came from Razorpay to Pabbly Connect and then from Pabbly Connect, the information went to Freshsales. So now every time an order is paid in Razorpay, a contact will be created in Freshsales automatically. So we have successfully finished the integration of Razorpay and Freshsales using Pabbly Connect.
Not just these two software applications, but you can integrate any software application using Pabbly Connect. If you have any queries, you can contact us at admin@pabbly.com and our team will help you. For more, you can also visit our website at www.pabbly.com. Thank you.